Welcome to Tips for Life. In this video, you will learn how to save money on a tight budget. 15 practical tips. Yes, saving money can feel challenging, especially when you are on a tight budget. However, with the right strategies, even small changes can lead to significant savings over time. And so, here is how you can save money and take control of your finances without sacrificing your quality of life. 1. Create a detailed budget. Yes, start by tracking your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Break your spending into categories of, for example, rent, groceries, utilities, entertainment, and identify areas where you can cut back. Stick to this budget as closely as possible. 2. Prioritize needs over wants. It is important to differentiate between essential expenses, or needs, and non-essential ones, or wants. So, focus on covering necessities, like food, housing, and transportation, while limiting spending on luxuries, like dining out, or unnecessary subscriptions. 3. Meal plan and cook at home. Bear in mind that eating out frequently can drain your budget. As such, plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and cook at home. In particular, cooking in batches and freezing meals can also save both time and money. 4. Use coupons and discounts. Also take advantage of coupons, cashback apps, and store loyalty programs to save on groceries and other purchases. Take your time to look for sales and consider buying in bulk for non-perishable items. 5. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Always review your recurring subscriptions, such as streaming services, gym memberships, or magazine subscriptions. In this case, cancel those you rarely use, or share subscriptions with family or friends to split costs. 6. Embrace DIY solutions. Indeed, from home repairs to personal care, consider doing things yourself instead of paying for services. For example, learn basic home maintenance, cut your own hair, or do your nails at home. 7. Shop smart for essentials. It is also good to compare prices, shop at discount stores, and consider buying generic brands instead of name brand products. In doing this, you will discover that the quality is often similar, but the cost savings can be significant. 8. Limit impulse spending. Also make sure to avoid impulse purchases by implementing a cooling-off period. Develop a habit to wait 24 to 48 hours before buying non-essential items in order to determine if you really need them. If you're enjoying this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such educational videos. Let's continue. 9. Use energy efficiently. Also reduce utility bills by, among other things, turning off lights when not in use, unplugging devices, and using energy-efficient appliances. Also adjust your thermostat to save on heating and cooling costs. 10. Avoid credit card debt. Always remember that credit card interest can quickly add up. So, make sure to pay off your balance in full each month, or switch to a debit card to avoid overspending. And if you are in debt, prioritize paying it off as soon as possible. 11. Use public transportation. Yes, if possible, use public transport, carpool, or bike instead of driving. And what's the benefit? Well, this can save money on gas, parking, and vehicle maintenance, just to mention but a few. 12. Sell unused items. Also declutter your home, and sell items you no longer need, on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Doing this can provide extra cash, and free up space in your home. 13. Set realistic savings goals. Always set specific achievable savings goals to stay motivated. For example, aim to save, say $50 per month, by cutting back on non-essential spending. 14. Build an emergency fund. Indeed, even on a tight budget, always set aside a small amount for unexpected expenses. Here, you can start with say $5 or $10 a week, and gradually increase as your finances improve. 15. Reward yourself smartly. Yes, this is also important. You see, saving does not mean that you cannot and should not enjoy life. So, also plan affordable rewards, like a movie night at home, or a picnic in the park, to stay motivated while sticking to your budget. And there you are. How to save money on a tight budget, 15 practical tips. In summary, saving money on a tight budget requires discipline and creativity. By tracking your expenses, cutting unnecessary costs, and making small but consistent changes, you can build financial stability and achieve your savings goals. Remember, every penny counts, and over time, these habits can lead to significant financial growth. I hope you've enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.